everyone, it's Mark Lyman with Home Fixated here, and I have a tip for you. If you are doing any sort of irrigation work, there's the usual way to do it, and then there's the smart way to do it. And what a lot of people do is they have their PVC pipe here. This is your water line running through here, and they put the threaded end up, and then you've got either your sprinkler or a riser that goes to a drip emitter or something like that. And what happens is the first person that comes along and kicks it will break this fitting, or they'll break the pipe if it gets brittle after a while. And then you basically have to dig down and dig up this whole fitting and do a repair. So the alternative way to do that is with these Marlex fittings here. These are little 90-degree elbows, and these fit in, and what you want to do instead of having the PVC vertical is you actually have it going out the side. And I've got three 90-degree Marlex fittings. They just thread right into one another. And then I've got my, in this case, it's a riser that's going to go to a drip line. And so what happens here is that if someone kicks this or bumps into it, it's going to pivot. And if someone steps on it, it's going to pivot down into the soil. And so what winds up happening is that this is just a much more durable connection. And it also gives you a little bit of flexibility in terms of where you're placing your emitter at the top of the pipe here. So, and to give an example of that, I've got one with a lawn sprinkler here, and it's got the Marlex pieces at both ends. So you've got your PVC pipe with your water here, three 90-degree Marlex fittings going to a riser, and then another few Marlex fittings here. And what this allows you to do is sometimes you don't know exactly where you're going to want your sprinkler head, or you install it and you realize it's not giving you the coverage you want. This gives you some flexibility to actually rotate the sprinkler head to a new location. So depending on the length of the riser you use here, that's going to determine how much of a radius you have. And it'll allow you to go up and down. And again, if this is installed and someone steps on it, the pipe just bends down and one of these fittings rotates instead of the whole thing breaking. So I hope that tip helps you out. Let me know if you have any comments in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.